Hello friend, today in this video I am going to unbox the best 3D pen. This pen is used to create 3D object. Now let's open the box first to see what's inside it. Here is the pen and it's made with full metal body. Here is the power adapter to power the 3D pen. Here we also got a 3-color PLA filament. It's the pen holder, 2 finger guard, and here is the user manual. Here is some drawings you can also print. This pen works with PCL and PLA filament. It has 3 speed mode and the temperature is also programmed with the speed. Here is the charging port and the filament inlet hole. Powering the pen by the adapter. Select the filament and speed. Now the nozzle is heating up. Large OLED display can show you the temperature of the material to help you achieve a wide variety of effects. Press the forward button to load filament. Let's create some object. Now let's see if it can write and draw in the air. And if you want to buy this pen, the link is also given in the video description.